Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has urged the state police to leverage technology in tackling cybercrime, emphasizing that law and order are crucial for investment and employment generation. Speaking at the Police Flag Day celebrations in Koramangala, he stressed the need for peace and stability to boost economic growth. He also reiterated his commitment to making Karnataka a drug-free state and assured full government support to the police force. Home Minister Parameshwara echoed similar sentiments, highlighting efforts to eliminate crime, drug abuse, and communal tensions. He praised Karnataka police for their efficiency, citing the successful rehabilitation of Naxalites and swift action in major cases. Addressing the rise in cybercrime, he called for intensified efforts to curb digital fraud. Parameshwara reaffirmed the government's commitment to modernizing and strengthening the police force to maintain law and order in the state.